Hello everyone, it's good to have you back. Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to Sandbanks. I would like to have a look at the beach. I haven't been there for a while, so it will be good to see if anything has changed. Most likely not, but still it's gonna be a nice ride. So it's going to be the one where I'm not talking too much. I would like that video to be one of those that will focus on the scenery and on the road and a little bit of the engine noise. I hope that you will enjoy that as much as I do. I'll try to chip in my thoughts from time to time, but the aim is to not interrupt. I'm not too sure if you've seen my latest video on the channel. I did change my mirrors recently. I've got slightly bigger ones, which hopefully you can see quite well on the cameras. I can see a lot more, and I am pretty happy with the choice. Oops. Okay. Let the guys pass. Well, yeah, so coming back to the mirrors, I'm really happy with the choice. I decided to leave them above handlebars, and yeah, it turns out to be quite good, to be fair. As I said, I can see a lot more. The previous ones were round, really small, and they were, especially when I was picking up the speed, they were closing, and I couldn't see anything. And while you ride around 70 miles per hour, it was pretty annoying because I had to adjust them, and with my right hand on the throttle, obviously I couldn't do that while I was riding, so I decided to change them. And yeah, it turns out, as I said, that it was a good choice. They were not too expensive as well. So yeah, I bought them on Amazon, and I think I can recommend them for anyone that would like to change the mirrors. They seem to be quite a solid, quite solid item. Okay, so I'm just entering Sandbanks Beach. The views, as always, amazing. A lot of boats on the sea. To be fair, I would really like to have a boat one day, but obviously money is a bit of a constraint at this point. Oh gosh, man, that was a little dangerous. Feels a little strange after a few weeks of heat wave and full sun. I think it's the first day for a little while when it's not shining and it doesn't feel so hot, so it feels quite pleasant to ride for a change. It's not like it's always quite pleasant, but you know, in full gear and full sun and 30 degrees outside, it's quite difficult to ride. Nice. I'm just looking at those people on the beach, and as I said, I'm quite jealous. Cool short skirts, I wear t-shirts. Is it MT-07? I think it is. Looks like one, at least. Quite nice, that one. I really liked that bike. I was wondering, I don't think I've ever told you this, but before this bike I had Yamaha R125. Obviously it was a couple of years ago. It was before I decided to do my full license, and it was a nice bike to have. Obviously it was nowhere near as powerful as this one, but yeah, it was quite pleasant to ride. And what was not very smart of me was that I decided to jump from 125 to CB1000R. Yeah, my friends were not too they were not very happy. I mean, my friends were not recommending me this choice. It was purely my decision to go with that large bike, but I'm not regretting anything, to be fair. I think if you like the bike and you're reasonable with it, nothing bad will happen. So if you like bigger bikes, just give it a go, you know, regardless of what people are saying. Obviously there is some truth to that, I'm not gonna lie. If you will decide to go with 1000, same as me, you just need to be a little bit more careful with the throttle. But again, just be reasonable, and that's all you need. Oh, people are queuing on the ferry. If you've never been to Sandbanks, I would really recommend coming here. Really nice place to be, really beautiful, and you can go to Swanage on that ferry, in a car or on a motorbike, or even on foot, but probably having a car is a bit more comfortable. Yeah, I can honestly recommend that. Ooh, nice paint. And we are coming back. Again, nice view on the sea. Some people enjoying themselves, reading the book. Nice, really good. I think you can see a lot better when I'm riding back. I mean, the view on the sea is a lot better. You can probably understand now what I'm trying to say. I'm wondering how much of the training you need to do to be able to windsurf. That must require a lot of balance from you. I think I need to give it a go one day, because why not? It's a nice car. I'm not too sure what's the make of it. I mean, what's the make of that car? It looked beautiful though. Okay guys, the journey to Sandbanks and back was very pleasant. I really enjoyed the short ride. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Please let me know in the comments what would you like to see, or if you've got any tips or any advices to me. I'm quite new to vlogging, so if you've got any advices, I would really appreciate that. Let me know in the comments. Again, thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.